Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will review Revolut's crypto feature in 2025. We will cover how it works, the fees, security, and the most important things that you should know before using it. So, Revolut isn't just a banking app, it also lets you buy, sell, and hold the popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can trade directly inside the app and even pay with your crypto balance using your Revolut card. Everything is managed in one place, which makes it really convenient. Now if I talk about the fees, so fees actually depends on the plan that you select. The standard users pay about 0.49% per trade. The premium drops it to around 0.29%, and the metal plan users can trade with zero fees. They have also launched Revolut X for more advanced trading with lower maker and taker fees, plus better charts and order options. On the security side, Revolut has strong protections like biometric logins and app controls. You can also move your crypto out to the external wallets like Ledger, which wasn't possible in the early days. That said, it is still not as advanced as a dedicated crypto exchange. The main drawbacks I would like to mention, like limited trading features as compared to other platforms, and regulators in some countries that have questioned Revolut's claims about commission-free trading. So it is safe, but it is not protected. So the question here is, should you actually use Revolut for your crypto portfolio? So I would like to say that if you want a simple all-in-one application like for banking and light crypto investing, it is a great option. But if you are a serious trader who need advanced tools and lower spreads, you will probably want a dedicated exchange. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below if you want me to compare Revolut with Coinbase next. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.